Hey everybody, it's Rich Soderquist, Certified Master IPC Soldering Instructor. You want to know how to pick a really great pair of flush pliers and look at some cool opening devices for opening cell phones and electronic circuits? Take a look.
Flush cutting pliers are always nice. These are high grade 65 manganese steel, corrosion resistant. Cuts wire up to 1.6 millimeters thick for flush cutting, real close to a circuit board. You can get these. You also want to look for stuff that's ESD safe, usually blue, green, or black will indicate electrostatic discharge safe. Nice pair of handheld wire strippers, always comes in handy. These happen to be blue points. They always say wear safety goggles, cut copper only, that type of stuff. These have been around for a good number of years. Usually they come with a locking mechanism. Delcast is one of the items you can buy online on Amazon and other places, eBay, relatively inexpensive. Tritech Pro opening tool. You also have some small spatula type prying devices, hold down devices for popping IC chips out and other different types of construction and deconstruction of electronic circuits, hold down devices. We'll demonstrate the use of these in future videos. One of the things that we use a lot is what's referred to as a carrot stick or a pointer hold down device. Orange stick. If you had an orange, you can peel it in 4 sections, peel it back. Demonstrate that sometime, but I call them orange sticks a lot just because I'm used to it. Another thing you'll find is you can get small tweezers. So you can get this stuff relatively inexpensive. This was under $10 for this entire kit. They roll up. It's a nice little kit.
Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks again for watching.